In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with Pipedrive CRM. To begin, sign into your Pipedrive account and make sure you are using an admin account. This is important because the integration settings and app permissions are usually only available to administrators. If you are signed in with a regular user account, you may not see the options needed to complete the setup. Once you are inside Pipedrive, look to the left sidebar menu and find the Marketplace icon. It looks like a shopping bag. Click that icon to open the Pipedrive Marketplace, where you can browse and install integrations that connect Pipedrive with other platforms. In the Marketplace search bar, type Facebook lead ads. When the results appear, select the official app provided by Pipedrive. It is a good idea to make sure you are opening the official version so you can avoid confusion and ensure the connection works properly with your CRM. After opening the app page, click Install Now. This will begin the setup process and prompt Pipedrive to connect with your Meta account so it can access your Facebook lead forms. A pop-up window will then appear asking for access to your Meta account. At this point, log in using the Facebook profile that has admin permissions for your business page. This matters because only the correct profile with the right level of access can authorize the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pipedrive. After you log in, you will be asked to choose which Facebook business pages you want to link to Pipedrive. Select the specific pages you want to connect. If you manage more than one page, take a moment here to choose carefully so your leads are sent from the right source into your CRM. You will also see a permissions screen. Review the permissions being requested so you understand what access is being granted. This typically allows the integration to read lead data and connect the selected pages to Pipedrive. When everything looks correct, click Allow to confirm the connection. Once that is done, the integration is authorized, and your selected Facebook pages are linked to Pipedrive. From there, you can continue managing your incoming leads inside your CRM more efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.